Hi guys, it's Oma. Today I'm going to be testing out olaplaex number 0 and number 3. Let's begin. Currently, my hair is extremely dry, brittle, and it's been shedding a lot or breaking. I don't really know. After my last texlaxed touch-up, my hair has not felt the same. I'm also in need of a major trim, and I did not want to add heat to my hair to trim it, so I thought why not first use olaplaex to try to repair some of this damaged bonds, and then I can go ahead and blow out my hair and trim it. So I went ahead and I picked up the olaplaex number 0 and number 3. I was able to find a sample size of number 0 and number 3 that came together for $16 from Ulta. And I decided to use the number 0 and the number 3 because 1, I did not want to spend all that money trying to test out the whole line, and 2, 0 and number 3 are supposed to have the most concentration level of the olaplaex bond repair technology. So if I was going to try anything, it was going to be these two. I'm going to be shampooing my hair before applying number 0 and number 3. After some research, I found out that it might be a good idea to shampoo the hair first to remove product buildup so that the olaplaex technology can better penetrate the hair. I'm out the shower, my hair is still damp, and it's time to apply number 0. The first thing I noticed is that number 0 feels like water. Honestly, I wouldn't have known it's not water if it wasn't for the smell. It has a smell, but it's not overwhelming. Also, it's a bit challenging to apply with the style of bottle cap applicator. The liquid wants to spill everywhere, so you have to be really slow and deliberate with where you're applying and how you're applying because you do not want to waste any of this liquid. As I'm applying number 0, my hair starts to feel squeaky, not moisturized, not soft, just that clean, squeaky feeling. I don't really know how to explain it. It just kind of doesn't feel the best. It just kind of feels really, really clean. But I don't want to go ahead and just start hating on this product. You know, it's supposed to be a 2-part system. So let me go ahead and just apply the liquid, wait the 10 minutes, and then apply number 0 to see how it actually feels. This is the first time that I'm trying olaplaex. I've heard all the rumors and the rave and just the constant, appraise for this product. So I was like, if there's ever a better time to try it, it's right now. I applied a good amount to each section and I really saturated my hair. I have to press the number 0 into my hair because my hair just takes a while to get wet, and I really want to make sure the product is soaking into my hair. Once I'm done applying number 0, I put on a plastic cap to create heat to help the product absorb better into my hair. I will leave this on for 10 minutes and then I will come back. So it's been 10 minutes and it's time to apply number 3. I don't feel anything amazing for my hair. My hair feels dry and I still feel like it has that squeaky clean feeling. Right now, number 0 is just not it. My hair doesn't feel any different than when I started. But again, let me not rush. Let's go ahead and add number 3. olaplaex number 3 has the texture of a creamy conditioner. The first thing I noticed after applying it to my hair is the slip it had, and it almost immediately moisturized my dry, brittle hair. I'm definitely, just from this little difference, I'm definitely going to be purchasing this product. Let's just say that. Within a few short minutes, my hair started to feel amazing. I was very impressed and super happy. I have to say number 3 is working. I love how my hair feels. It feels like my hair just had a big drink. I make sure to divide my hair into smaller parts and to really coat all the strands and make sure I get this stuff all over my hair. I will definitely be using this at least once a month, if not more. Once I apply it, I will put on a plastic cap and let it sit for my hair for 45 minutes to a few hours. As I rinse my hair feels dry, as if my hair sucked up all of the product. It actually felt more moisturized when I was first applying number 3 than when it had set on my hair. Maybe because the product is actually going into my strands and it's absorbing into my hair rather than sitting on top of my hair, which I think is a good thing. My hair still feels damp, but it doesn't feel as moisturized as when I first started applying, which is a little weird. But nonetheless, I'm still happy that it's, moisturizing my hair because my hair does feel a lot better than when I first started. I decided to go ahead and shampoo and condition just like you would if you had the olaplaex shampoo and conditioner. I'm not going to be using the olaplaex shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration line. So here I am out of the shower. My hair feels good. It feels pretty good. My hair feels soft. I really like that it feels light and airy. It feels like I did a clarifying shampoo, but at the same time I did like an intense hydrating deep conditioner mask. It feels feels really clean and light and just airy, but then it also feels moisturized and soft, which I really appreciate. I definitely think it's worth testing out, especially if you get the sample size, which is only $16. I ended up using most of number 0 and I ended up using all of number 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you for my next video. Bye bye.